My husband opened up the store with his dad over 20 years ago. Originally sold stamps and then added comics and games to it. We took over, and it's been LA Mood Comics and Games for quite a while now. We specialize in comics and games, Magic the Gathering, board games, Pokemon, all the things that are neat, cool, and geeky. Definitely important to be knowledgeable. The trends change quickly, prices change fast, and especially for comic books, just knowing their condition. Gord has been working with comic books for a very long time, and he has a pretty good eye on judging its condition. One of our focuses that no other store in London has is we have a lot of Godzilla products. So we like to get in the Godzilla toys from Japan, which are very hard to find. Part of the fun of owning a business is the customers too. Seeing them get happy and excited about things makes me happy and excited about things. It starts with you coming in with an interest in what you want, and we'll find something here that will interest you, I think. If we don't have it, we will try and find it for you. Our website has almost all our inventory on it, so you can buy anything you see in the store. You can almost pretty much buy it on our website as well. Don't be worried about trends so much, just enjoy what you're collecting. I think that's the main thing.